Setting up a sales funnel strategy for your business can be super overwhelming. I'm Kathy Olson from Funnel Gorgeous, and what Julie and I want to help you with today, even if you are a sales funnel beginner, to help you find out which strategy is just right for you and your business to get started. Let's dive in.
This is what we call a value ladder. A value ladder is basically a visual representation of all of your different product offerings. When you're building a business in real life, it never quite works like this. Okay, so this is like a super simplified version. When you build a business in theory, it looks amazing and great. Okay, so basically in every company, I want to start right here in the middle. Every company is known for something. What is Apple known for? It was known for the Mac. What is Coke known for? Coke. What am I known for? I was known for a long time, it was the Digital Gangsta. That's what I was known for, right? It's a signature offer, a core offer, sometimes called a flagship offer. If you notice that I'm saying it three different ways because I'm trying to give you terminology, because you'll hear people talk about the terminology. The signature offer, okay? It's what you're known for. In the online space, it's hard to have multiple signature offers without confusing your customers. So I recommend to people to have one signature offer. The problem is that a lot of people start by building one offer, then they build the next offer, and then they're like, oh wait, that's our signature offer, right? Because the market is responding. It's okay if this doesn't actually work exactly as I'm explaining it. So which funnel is right for you? My first question that I always ask people is, do you have a signature offer? Do you have a core offer? And if the answer is yes, my second question is, do you have a funnel for that offer? And if the answer is no, then I say, okay, that's where we start. So you want to build an offer for this area, usually first, especially if you have the core offer built. Now, if your core flagship offer is $30, you can just use a regular sales funnel. If your core offer is $400, you are going to need more time, more face time with your customer in order to convince them to buy, in which case I'm going to recommend a webinar funnel. Okay. If your core flagship offer is $25,000, I'm going to recommend that you probably do an application case study type funnel right here. Okay. So you can have any type of funnel you want, but the first thing is, do you have a signature flagship offer? And if you do you have a funnel built for it? Let's say you say, I have a signature offer, it's built, I have a webinar funnel, it's all good. Great, awesome. The next thing I say is we can either go down the ladder or we can go up the ladder. Down the ladder is important if it's costing you a lot of money in ads. So some people are like, yeah, I do have a webinar funnel, but it's not profitable. Like, I can't make the ads work, or like it's costing me a lot of money. So now it's time, let's build an introductory offer. Let's build an introductory product, right? We'll call it a front end offer, a liquidating offer, a break even offer. It's all called the same thing. And these are introductory products. And so we'll build a slow funnel here. That's going to help you acquire a customer. And then through an email funnel, we can take this customer and introduce them to this offer. And this time we don't have to pay to acquire them because this funnel did all the work. Now, some people who have their signature offer will be like, no, it's not too expensive. It's just like once they buy something from me, they want something else and I don't know what else to give them, right? Renee in my mastermind, she had this problem. She's like, yeah, people are buying my $997 Sell Like a Mother course, but they want the next thing. And so then I'm like, okay, it's time for us to go to a premium, higher end, high touch offer, right? This is usually the most expensive thing on your value ladder. For me, Digital Insiders is my premium high-end, high-touch offer. It's expensive, it's usually limited, it usually requires high touch, and I would do an application funnel here. So you got most of the time, and this is not a rule forever, but you have either webinar or application funnels up here, you have webinar or slow funnels here, and you almost always have list building or slow funnels down here. The email funnels are what connect things together so that once they've gone through one funnel, they build rapport and then they go into another funnel. So when you say which funnel is right for me, I'm going to ask you, the question you should be asking is, what's the right funnel for where your business is at? What kind of offers do you even have? Typically, in a company, you're going to have one signature offer, and you might have one highly custom, kind of done for you high-end offer. And then down here is where you can have multiple introductory offers. So if you think of Funnel Gorgeous, right, our courses, we're currently going to build a webinar where where we bundle up Funnel Gorgeous and Webinar Gorgeous. We're actually going to build a third one there to round it out. And that will be our kind of flagship course offer. But we've got all kinds of funnel drops, right? We got multiple funnel drops. These are front-end offers. This introduces people into our world. And we just finished our Funnel Gorgeous retreat. That would currently be considered our one high-end, high-custom, high-ticket premium offer, right? Application funnel here, webinar funnel here, slow funnels here. Now, you can break the rule, but if you are a newbie, that's kind of what I would say. Now, if you're in the physical product space, you're going to have a slow funnel, and probably still a slow funnel. Because typically in the e-commerce space, you're not selling things that are super expensive. And if you don't sell things that are super expensive, you don't need to sit on a webinar or an application or do a big long presentation because it's freaking $20, right? So you can have the order forms, you can make it simple. So if you're in e-commerce, you're going to have probably the same type of funnel. It's more about connecting them. So once they buy this, hand soap, then they're going to buy this face soap, then they're going to buy, you know what I mean? It's more like that rather than in an info product business. It's definitely going to be very much like a stair step.
And if you need a refresher on what a sales funnel is and the key foundations of a great sales funnel, then make sure you watch our video from last week. Click on the video right on your screen to watch it right now. And if you thought this content was awesome and helpful and you like this type of video, make sure to comment below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.